In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send direct messages on LinkedIn. If you want to connect with someone professionally, follow up after networking, or start a business conversation, LinkedIn's messaging feature makes that very simple. There are two easy ways to send a direct message, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose whichever feels most convenient. The first method starts from the person's profile. Go to the profile of the person you want to message. Once you're there, look at their introduction section near the top of the page, right below their headline. You should see a blue message button. Click that button and a message window will open for you automatically. In the text box that appears, type your message clearly and professionally. Since LinkedIn is a business-focused platform, it helps to keep your message polite, direct, and relevant to the reason you're reaching out. When you're happy with what you've written, click Send. That's it. Your direct message has now been delivered. There's also another method you can use, especially if you already know who you want to contact and prefer opening the messaging area first. On your desktop homepage, click the messaging icon at the top of the screen or in the bottom right corner. If you're using the mobile app, look for the messaging area in the upper right. Once you open it, click or tap the Compose icon, which looks like a pencil and paper. After that, type the name of your recipient in the To field. As you type, LinkedIn will show suggestions in a drop-down list. Select the correct person's name from that list to make sure your message goes to the right account. Then type your message in the message area. Before sending, it's a good idea to quickly review your wording for clarity and tone. A short, respectful message usually works best, especially for first-time outreach. Once everything looks good, click Send, and that's all there is to it. Whether you message someone directly from their profile or start from the messaging section, LinkedIn gives you a quick way to begin professional conversations. If you're new to the platform, practicing both methods can help you get comfortable and save time depending on the situation. With these steps, you'll be able to send direct messages on LinkedIn smoothly and confidently.